Hello, my buddy friends. What is up? This is Snack Days, and this is gonna be a blast from the past. Yes, we used Izzy. Haven't had these since 2004. um, just my uncle had these lined up like in a cooler, and he always had these still does these exotic drinks. These exotic, amazing drinks like these and like a lot of like international stuff because he travels around the world and because he does like conventions and stuff and meat packing plants and really cool stuff. Now, here we go. I'm not gonna show a glass because but it's usually kind of like it's kind of like a color of like what Monster does, but this is no sugar added, no preservatives, and it's like a lot. This isn't really a bad drink to drink. Um, let's try this out. Because it's been more than 10 years since I had this. I gotta get another one. Still the crisp taste. I can still try and I love clementine. It's one of my favorite fruits. You have 90 calories here. Total zero fat. Sodium is 15 milligrams. Sugar is 19 grams. But it's like a lot of this. No added sugar. I mean, like it. It's good in my opinion. I still dig it. I still dig it. And a lot of times I don't really see like a clementine drink. Like there's those ice, which the tangerine or whatever, that's really good. But nothing can't be an Izzy in my opinion.